What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. We're gonna pull this bed off this truck, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so it's very important to have this guard on, because just a minute ago I was grinding like this. My hand slipped off and my hand hit the guard just like that. It says if I didn't have this guard on, I would have lost a couple of fingers. So thank you for one of my subscribers to remind me, put the guard on. That's very important, because that just saved my fingers. Because I was holding like this and it slipped out my hand and it said and hit it right up against the guard just like that. If I didn't have the guard, it would say cut all my fingers off. So y'all use protection. And we're about to pull the truck bed off. We just cut the back end off. So now we're gonna get back into it. Alright, YouTube, we'll be right back. I already stopped recording. Alright everybody, this is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. Guys, we got the bed off the truck. This is the cab. The cab's in solid condition. They got the old fuel tank plugged off. Here's the custom built fuel tank. And I think this is a short bed, if I'm not mistaken. So it's got some beefy tires. The frame is still good. Everything's still good. It's light in the back, definitely, right now. So it's going to be riding really stiff. But everything looks in good shape. You know, the tires, I got stuck, so I had to get pulled out. Bolts holding that on the back. Now guys, this is what I was talking about. See how this first tube right here is all rusted out? And they got wood behind there if you didn't see that. But it's rusted out right here. So I mean, other than that, that's why. I mean, I'm gonna keep the headache rack. I'm just gonna have to fix it. But the channel is still good. That's the only good part, I think, and the tube. I mean, the tube is okay in some spots, but it's a lot of bad spots. So I'm gonna still figure out what I'm gonna do with it. But yeah, here it is. I think it's like a short bed. So I'm probably gonna cut this pipe off, stick a clamp, put this where it's straight up, and be good to go from there, and we'll go on. So everything looks great. Transmission looks great. Gotta probably hose this down. Probably gonna have to drill some holes in the frame, honestly, because there's no frame mounts Except for this. Is this the frame mount? That might be a frame mount right there. I'm not for sure. I think this is a short bed though. For sure. So they have blocks of wood holding it up. Might be a long bed, I don't know. But we got one hole here, one hole there. We got to make a couple more holes because we're going to probably put a tube frame. So we're going to drill a hole right in here. Take it to work one day, drill a big hole in both sides. And yeah, so it can be good and go. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Truck is held together pretty well. And there's the bed. So the crane done it. The crane has done it, guys. And there's that deep hole I got stuck in. There's that deep hole. I don't know if you guys can see it. That I got stuck in. But yeah, so there's the crane work. That's just another support to keep it from swaying. It's balanced evenly. Yeah, pretty much balanced evenly. Gonna probably lower it down in a minute to keep it off the ground. But there's the deep hole that the truck got buried in. So we're gonna have to probably make a concrete spot or something out here. But yep, this is what we got. Truck bed is down. Y'all stay tuned. Viewers, so right now we're working on getting the original gas tank out. And getting the original out, getting the other secondary tank out. And that's what we're working on. We're gonna take this drill bit out. Not going out. Hanging out, cooking out. People say they want performance videos on these tools, so I figure why not use them and take out the gas tank.